everyone, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, my name is Melanie. Today I'm taking you shopping, but we're not going to one of my favorite thrift stores. Oh no, today we are shopping my home. Yeah, can you believe it? I have never done this with you guys before and I'm really excited about it. And I'm also really excited about today's video because it's a collaboration with my friend Suzanne over at theoldsonso. And if you've never checked out Suzanne's channel, you gotta go check her out because she's amazing. I am so inspired by her and I just love her personality. She does everything on her channel. She has so many hauls. I mean, this lady finds the greatest things. She decorates, she has a booth, so she resells. She repurposes items all the time. And I mean, she just does a fantastic job. So you really got to go check her out. Tell her Melanie said hi because I know you're going to love her channel. So what we decided to do for today's video is we're going to shop our own homes because let's face it, decorations cost a lot of money. And to go buy stuff all the time, I mean, it would just cost a fortune. And I know us content creators, we do buy a lot more than probably a lot of people do. But I know me personally, anyway, I try to save as much money as I can. So I do thrift and I pretty much buy all of my stuff at Goodwills or thrift stores, but I also like it. I love having different decor than my neighbor has. I don't want to have my home looking like a cookie cutter that everybody else has. I like my own personal, unique style. So for me, Goodwill and thrift stores are the go-to when I'm looking for decor. So what we're doing for today's video is we're shopping our own homes and we're each going to find 7 items. And we chose the number 7 because it's an odd number. And when you're decorating, like if you're creating a vignette, it always looks nicer, more pleasing to the eye if you style with odd numbers. Then we're each going to decorate 3 areas in our home. Maybe a tabletop, maybe a stand, maybe a buffet. I'm not sure what Suzanne's decorating. And to be quite honest, right now while I'm filming this, I have no idea what I'm going to decide to decorate. I don't even know what pieces I'm going to pick. It's all for fun. You're going to live it just like I'm living it. You're going to walk along with me, look at different areas that I already have decorated, see what pieces I pick and see what I come up with. And I really hope that you'll enjoy this video. And if you do like my content, I hope you'll like it enough that you give me a thumbs up and become a YouTube member of my family by hitting that subscribe button.
I will link Susan's channel and video below in my description box.
So as I'm looking, I definitely want my 7 pieces that I pick to all kind of complement each other, but also I'm looking for different sizes. So these Crocs would really work nice pretty much in anything. Maybe a little doll. So many things that I love to use when I'm decorating. That's my problem. I have too many favorite pieces. I should probably look for some greenery also, or just some kind of silk or filler. Lighting is also really good to add to vignettes. And I like this one. This is a cute little light. Or maybe even just a candle. This is gonna be a lot more tricky than what I anticipated. Let's take a look over here on this table. I think I see a piece that I definitely want to incorporate. I love this scoop and I purchased it a few weeks ago at the Crossroads Country Mall and I did share this in a couple of my videos, but I definitely think I want to use this scoop. And books are also really good. You can use them as risers, just add them in with your decorating. Old books are fantastic. I also like this bunny. I'm gonna leave this bunny out I'm not gonna put it away after Easter. I'm gonna leave it out. I think it's so cute. Very nice and primitive. So first item, done. So let's see if I can find a goodie on my bookshelves. Let's see. If I want to stick with primitive, I could definitely add in my gingerbread. Those would really look cute. And if you missed it, I have been making those. I'm actually trying to resell them in my booth. I love making them. They're so much fun. And let's see, I also have a kitty cat. I could use that little doll. Definitely the little willow tree, that would be nice. Old cans. Cans are really great. Definitely use an old can. Maybe some spools. Spools are always really good to add in with decorating, and they're really nice sized. They're not too big. Those are probably about 5 inches, I'd say. Let's see, maybe something over here. I could incorporate this little old wind-up toy. That would look really sweet. Here I have some other spools. I have spools scattered around different places. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna use any of these pieces. I'm just not feeling it on this shelf. Maybe the little basket. Not sure though if that would count as one item. I don't think I better go with that. So let's see if I can find something here. I could take the spools, use those. Also the masher would work really good, even the little nut chopper. But I have my eye on my scale. What do you think? I think I should make this like really creative because you don't have to use a scale just in your kitchen. You can use scales anywhere in your home. I'm thinking I might take those scales. Do you think I should do it? It's nice sized. I'm gonna do it. Yep. Got my second item. As I'm looking for pieces, I'm definitely looking for items that are going to complement each other. And honestly, pretty much all of my decor complements each other because I like to stick to the same color palette. I love the burgundies, the browns, the grays, the blues. I love all of the earth tones and the primitive colors. So I can mix and match a lot of my pieces beautifully. You really won't see me using real bright colors or pastels in my decorating because it just doesn't work well with the other colors that I use in my home. It's not that I have anything against pastels, it just doesn't fit in with my style of decorating. I do want to add some kind of a light, and I think I'm going to use this lantern. Isn't it pretty? It looks old, but it's really not. I'm gonna use it. I found my third item. Let's see if there's anything on my fireplace mantle that I could use. I don't want anything too big. Maybe a whisk broom? That might work. I don't know, I kind of think they look better in groupings. Collecting whisk brooms has become a new interest of mine, and they are definitely not easy to find. Maybe that nice iron? That might be really nice to add in. I'll keep looking. I really feel like I should add a rooster in, and some people are probably really expecting me to add a rooster in, but I don't know, I'm kind of really wanting to mix it up, so I don't know if I really want to add a rooster. For those of you new to my channel, I love roosters, and I have quite a few roosters. They're all faux. I would love to have some real roosters and chicks, but I don't. Maybe someday. And I think I found my fourth piece. What do you think? I'm gonna use the clock. These are the 4 items I have so far. And as you can see, these pieces, they're all different size, but I definitely need to add in some smalls. So right now, that's what I'm gonna look for. So I'm looking at these pieces here, and I'm looking to see if there's anything nice and small, and I noticed my little pair of shoes. I think those would do a really nice job to soften up my vignettes. I'd really like to add a little pop of color. I'm having so much fun trying to find things to use, and I cannot wait to see what Suzanne came up with. The little peach-colored bird would look really cute to add in. What do you think? Even a little bird nest or that bird would look sweet. I could add a bell. That would look really cute. And that bell really complements all of the other pieces that I chose so far. Some of these are going to be too big, and I am definitely needing 2 more small items. So other than the bell, nothing else here is really going to work. Sorry about the noise. I brought you into my half bath because I wanted to look at a few of these items. I was kind of thinking maybe this little sign would work. It's so cute and it's nice and small. That is a possibility. I definitely need a picture, and this one is going to work perfectly. What do you think? I'm going with it. I found my 6th item. So I'm looking at my pile of items here, and I think I have too many big things. So I'm going to put the scale back, and I'm going to find something else in its place. So I'll still need to find 2 more small items. Pitberry wreath would really be perfect, and it would also add a nice pop of color. I could always use this little basket. It has some pitberries in it. It would also add a nice pop of color. What do you think? I think that'll look really nice, and it's gonna tie in nicely with all the other pieces that I chose so far. I found my next item. We were already looking over here, but the more I think about it, I really think I wanna use a bird nest. And I have this bird nest, and it's gonna look really cute. I also have this one, and I like it, but it's just so plain. I really like that one, but I have one more. We'll see which one I decide to go with. Or I have this one right here. I think color-wise, I'm going to go with my first choice. Okie dokie, so before I start having fun creating, I just want to show you again the 7 pieces that I chose. It was a lot more difficult than what I expected it to be because I have so many pieces that I love decorating with. But I think I can really have some fun and be creative with these pieces. This is the first area I think I'm gonna be creative. It's a nice small little area, so I'm just going to focus on this tray. What do you think? You excited to see what I come up with? I'm excited to see what I can come up with because right now I'm flying by the seat of my pants. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Here's a look at my first styling. Isn't this adorable? And it would look perfect for spring and summer both. And the colors complement each other so nicely, and it's so nice and simple. It's 3 little items, and it looks fantastic. And if you don't like decorating with birds' nests, you don't have to. You can just swap it out with something else. So we'll put these little boots in there, or little shoes. They're equally adorable, and look, just by changing out one little thing, look at that. That's still so cute. I'm going to style this half moon table. This is how I currently have it decorated, but I'm gonna move these few pieces and add a few of the pieces I just picked. And what I add, I want to make sure ties in perfectly with this picture. What do you think? I think that looks adorable. It ties in perfectly with this picture, just like I hoped it would. And I'm really happy with that. Those little shoes just look so nice with that picture. And the berries and that burgundy gingham bow add the perfect punch of color.
This is also a really sweet way you could decorate it. Now I'm gonna get really creative. I'm going to decorate my dry sink using all 7 of those items. I feel like I haven't done a decorate with me video in a long time, so I'm just gonna do a little decorate with me for this vignette. I found this clock at a Goodwill back in Pennsylvania. It doesn't work, but I decorate with it anyway. This chippy lantern I bought at Hobby Lobby last year. I really like it because it looks old. I'd love to find some really old railroad lanterns, but they're not easy to find. If it's still available on Hobby Lobby's website, I'll link it below in my description box. I really like this old scoop. I bought it at the Crossroads Country Mall. I think these 3 pieces are looking really good so far. I like that all 3 of these pieces look rusty. The little girl in this photo is beautiful. I picked this picture up for just a few dollars at Goodwill. I love the barn wood that this frame was made of. I wish I could find some. This sweet little plant is going to add the perfect pop of color to this vignette, and it also ties in really nicely with the picture on the wall. What do you think? Let me know in my comments. These sweet little ceramic shoes I've had for many years. They belong to my sister, and my sister used these in her decorating. I can remember my sister placing these on her fireplace mantle, and after my sister passed away, these were one of her things that my brother-in-law gave me. I recently unpacked them and started decorating with them again. This little bird nest, my sister-in-law picked up for me at a yard sale. I think all 7 of my items look great together. This is awesome because you don't have to always go out and buy brand new decor. That gets really expensive. Just shop your home, play around with your decor, move it around from place to place. Always freshen it up. It's so much fun. And after you get the basics done, you can add in some greenery if you like, or some silk flowers to complete the look.
Well, that's it for today's video. I really hope I brought you some good ideas for shopping your own home, and I will see you all again very soon. Take care.